Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 5th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound yen, this is the break of structure area for the daily time frame. So it broke that structure and then rejected it almost instantly and then made another push up. Often when price rejects structure like this, that actually means that it will end up making a pretty decent move up. So I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this actually goes all the way back up near these highs right here. So definitely keep an eye on these Fibonacci retracement levels. I mean, if it does go to a Fibonacci retracement level and breaks structure to the downside, then that definitely could invalidate that. And we definitely would want to go back to the short side. But I think with this, rejection of structure, a nice impulsive move up that we got, we should probably be looking for longs. And if it goes all the way back up here, that's great. If it goes to a Fibonacci level and then breaks back down, that's fine also because we'll just stop looking for logs and start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.